What is that?
This is a new dessert.
New dessert.
Yeah.
It's called orange creamsicle.
Why we need to make a lots of dessert?
One of them is new. This is for Jimmy. This will go fast because everybody likes this dessert.
Okay, we put the
Cream cheese.
cream cheese.
Cream cheese. What we're gonna do is take half of this
Half only.
and put it in there.
Hello guys, today Daddy Tita Tote over there and this is I Wish in USA. He's going to make a dessert, which I don't know what it's called.
What do you call that?
Striped dessert.
Striped dessert.
Yeah, something my mom made when we were kids.
Okay, so you ready to start?
Yep. Half of a 16-ounce tub of Cool Whip. 8 ounces of cream cheese.
Okay.
And we're gonna mix this together.
We'll mix it together. Look at the girls. And Jasper, Nuna, say hi, my baby! Make a left channel! Oh, yeah. This is already done.
Yeah.
So next step is we put the graham
Crack, or as Filipinos say it, graham.
I say graham now.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Do you want mango?
Okay. Hello. Oh. Over there.
My goodness.
Your goodness, you can't wait.
You are so arty.
Okay. So what next? We put it there.
One. Now, after that, we put the instant chocolate pudding in here. And
How many cups?
3. That's whatever the directions call out for.
3 cups of milk. Okay.
Cold.
Cold milk.
2,
And 3.
I'm shine.
3.
Okay, and then we mix it together.
Yeah.
We'll mix it
We'll
again.
stick together, yeah.
Okay, you already put all
The mixture of cream cheese and Cool Whip.
Okay. And then you will spread it later.
Yeah. We'll spread it. We'll spread it out.
Okay.
Comes the fun part.
Okay.
Have the cream cheese Cool Whip layer down. Now we will put this layer.
Oh, looks so yummy.
You're what? You're an ad.
Oh, chocolate. How about this, loves?
That was for my dad.
Okay. This one. We're going to make
We'll make
today.
it. No, we'll probably make it some other day.
Okay. Final layer. You
Yeah.
add another
Cool Whip.
Cool Whip.
Just only Cool Whip. The first layer was
Graham. And then Cool Whip.
then Cool Whip with cream cheese mixed in it.
And then chocolate.
Then the chocolate pudding. And now
Cool Whip again.
Cool Whip for the
That is
final.
the final.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, finish.
So
So we
we
now
will put it, cover it,
cover it, and we will put in.
refrigerator, and refrigerate it until we want to eat it later.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Say it.
Thank you for watching. Tito Tatuti. I wish in USA.
Where's Jasper?
And make a love shout out. Make a love shout out.
Salamat sa paharang.
Salamat. Papa, say bye.
Palang.
Hold on.